Yo, YaRdVibers, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have something special for you. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make tacos, Mexican thing, but with a Jamaican twist to it, so you know the vibes, right? All right, so we kick it off now. We have to have sharp knives in the kitchen. Then we just jump right into the action, We sharpen my knife, we have to clean it off properly. So here we have our tacos. This is what it's gonna look like when it's done. So let's get right into it. First, you want to chop some onions, you get me? You wanna chop it small pieces. Yeah, because we're gonna make a salsa to go with our tacos, So traditionally, the taco is a Mexican dish consisting of a small hand-sized corn or wheat tortilla topped with the filling of your desire. It could be chicken, it could be fish, it could be shrimp, it could be anything. But today we're gonna do shrimp and chicken. Alright, so this is a cucumber. We're gonna chop some cucumber. So yeah, chop your cucumber finely, guys. All right, bell pepper, sweet pepper, capsicum, whichever name, we're gonna chop that. Boom. So we're done with the pepper, we're done with the, let's chop some shrimp. Alright, so chop some shrimp. Please guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, like and share. So this is our shrimp we chopped. We're gonna season it up nicely. First I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. My all-purpose is that garlic and herb seasoning, organic thing. We're gonna add some garlic powder in there. We're gonna grind some salt in there. Perfect balance. Yeah. We're gonna stir fry this. I want it to be well flavored. We're gonna grind some black pepper in there, black peppercorns. And this is what you want to do. You want to, stir this properly. Season up the shrimp, Alright, so we're gonna chop some tomatoes. I'm using cherry tomatoes, easier to handle. You want to remove the gut from it, the seeds, all that moisture, you want to get rid of that. Boom. So tomatoes gutted. Alright, so we're gonna chop these tomatoes small pieces, fine, very fine pieces, because we want to add this to our onion and our capsicum that we chopped earlier, We're making a salsa. En español, nosotros estamos haciendo una salsa. See how I dance when I make my salsa? Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna stir this properly, incorporate all those busting flavors, kick down any door. All those beautiful flavors, all those beautiful colors. I wanna add a little salt in there. I'm gonna grate some lemon rind. Chop my lemon, and we're gonna put some lemon juice in there. Boom. Nice. And there we go. We stir this, incorporating these flavors. Let me taste this. Let's test it. That's a little taste. Ah, very nice. All right, so I think it's good, so I'm gonna just fix it up nicely. What I wanna do is wrap this and keep it in the fridge until when I'm ready for it. Keep it fresh, you know? Fresh thing. Nice and sealed, airtight. See it now? We have our avocado, fresh avocado. Aguacate fresco de Mexico. Coming straight from Mexico, because we're keeping the Mexican thing live, you know? Alright guys, so we want to open up that avocado. This is a technique to remove the seed. Very easy technique. Very risky, but you have to be skilled, you know? Boom. Take out the seed. El aguacate es un super alimento muy delicioso. Alright, we're gonna use a spoon to remove the avocado from the skin. Yeah, so we do it. We're gonna use a fork to mash this avocado. Want to mash it up. Mash it up. Boom, mash up the avocado. We're gonna put some lemon juice in there. Ah, this is my special marinade. I'm gonna add some of that to the avocado. I'm gonna grind some salt in there. By the way, what do you guys think about my Spanish? Grind some pepper in there. And time to mix this in. So that special marinade gives it a buzz. Kick down any door. You got some on. Alright guys, so this is what you call a guacamole. Let me try this now to see what's happening. Ah, very nice. It's good. Too much good coming. Yeety! Alright, so we want to keep this in the fridge as well until when I'm ready for it. Wrap it tightly so the color doesn't change. This open air will discolor the avocado, but that's why we have lemon juice in there. The lemon juice prevents it from changing or going black. Now we're going into stir frying our shrimp. Add some olive oil in there. Want it to be very hot. Shrimp time, yeah. See. I'm going to stir fry this shrimp now. Flip it, flip it, flip it. Wow, you can smell it. It's really nice, guys. But you have to make your own. I'm gonna add some chopped onions in there. So amp up the flavor a bit. Amp up the flavor, you know? Yeah. Let me try. Very nice, perfect. We don't want to overcook our shrimp, so I'm gonna cut it right now. Put this in a bowl. Let it sit on the side. Alright, so I'm gonna do some chicken. This is some oven baked chicken that I did. I'm gonna use that. You guys can make chicken breast, you know, you can pan fry your chicken breast, you can oven bake, whatever. So what I'm doing is I'm hand pulling this chicken breast. This is the taco kit that I'm using. It's a nice one. We have soft tacos in there. We have hard shell. These are the soft ones. These are the hard shelled ones. It depends on which one you like. I like the soft ones. My friend likes the hard ones. So I got both of them. You get me? That's some barbecue sauce they put in there. I don't use that. This is some seasoning mix they sent with it. I make my own season. I don't want that. Alright, let's see what's happening here. I'm gonna bring this out, remove it from the packaging. I don't even know why they got that there. I don't need that. Some tight wrapping. Now you don't want to break the shell, so you want to be gentle. Sechenti. Alright, so with the soft tacos, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bake them. I'm gonna wrap them in foil, and I'm going to bake them so they become nice and soft and warm, you know, blanket style. You get me? Alright, so that hand-pulled chicken breast, now I'm gonna stir fry it in a little barbecue sauce. And this is homemade barbecue sauce, by the way. I'll probably show you how to make that in another tutorial. We'll figure it out. Okay, so that's ready. Now for the shrimp, since I'm doing barbecue chicken, I'm gonna use a different style for the shrimp. So I'm gonna cook my shrimp in cream. So what you're gonna need is some heavy cooking cream. You wanna just put that in the pan, warm it up a bit, put your shrimp in there, not for long, just 3 minutes, cook it for a bit, and then you're good to go. Don't want it to be too dry, so you know, I'm gonna add some more cream in there. This smells so good, I can't wait to start eating. Yeah, you thought I was going to say I can't wait for you to try, right? Yeah, you have to make your own. Alright, so let me test this to see where we're at. Really good. The cream really makes a lot of sense. I'm just gonna add a little bit of all-purpose in there. Just pep up the thing, man. Pep up the thing, man. Yeah, man. just a little bit more cream, and then we're good to go. So this is just about ready. Let's not cook it for too long. I'm gonna remove it now. Alright guys, so I have laid out my taco shells neatly. I'm gonna bake them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the filling. Good. So what I did was alternate shrimp and chicken. Half shrimp, half chicken. I'm gonna just bake this for 10 minutes. And also I'm gonna bake my soft tacos. We want to get that nice and warm and soft. Alright, so they're ready. Time to serve these tacos. We got chicken, barbecue chicken, and we got shrimp. Now to add my salsa. Now it's up to you. You can use salsa, whichever one you like. You can use the avocado. It's all up to you. I'm just doing random ones. But whichever one you choose, it's gonna be great because they both taste good. Now for my soft tacos, the ones I love, I think they're ready. Yeah, very nice and warm, soft, you can tell. Look at that, it's very soft. All right, so as I did before, half chicken, half shrimp. Now people, you can use cheese, you can add cheese if you like, but I personally don't like cheese like that, so I didn't add any cheese to my tacos today. But it's up to you. You can always add cheese. I think cheese is good in tacos. A lot of people like it. What you can do, you can add the cheese in there and you can bake it, make the cheese melt. So there you got it, guys. We got tacos today. We got soft tacos, we got hard shell tacos. This was amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Share with your friends, share with your family. You can come together, you guys can cook together and just have fun. All right, so until next time, you guys take care and stay hungry. YaRdViBe.